Hello awesome people and good day. My name is Natasha and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are taking these simple beautiful snowflakes and we're just going to apply the Dot Mandala method to them to decorate them up a little bit and give them a little zhuzh. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you've been here for a minute, you know I sound very different. I do apologize you guys, I completely lost my voice. It's still coming back, but I will surely do my best. So this was one of the first soaps that I made to submit to the Soap Challenge Club challenge for the month, which was to apply the Dot Mandala to a 3 ounces or more bar of soap. And I love these snowflakes. I thought they had character, they were really cute, and I thought this would be a great soap to make and use this method. Now, mandala dotting is a meditative art technique that involves using dots to create a mandala, which is a traditional circular drawing associated with spirituality and meditation. What you do is you take your medium, which in my case is soap, and you apply a dotting method around a circle. So one of the big mistakes I made here was that I didn't start with the middle, which is a circle, but you will see further into the video, I did actually start in the middle. So dotting community, please don't come for me, I'm so sorry. I just got carried away because it already had the lines and indentations in it. Now every dot that I make, I did dip it inside the soap, but just for the sake of you guys viewing what I did and not having my hand obstruct your view, I cut those parts out. You may have seen several mandalas. You might have seen a sand mandala. There's several people that put mandalas on stones. They put them on the Christmas ball decorations. They put them on anything really. Tables. It's very beautiful. I will say in doing these designs, it was very meditating because you have to be very focused on getting the evenness of your dots around your circles and things of that nature. You should try it if you're trying to relax, especially if you're a soap maker. Even if the design doesn't come out quite like how you want it to, I would suggest you try it. If you haven't seen my pinwheel snow globe mandala video, please check that out. I get a little bit more detailed and intricate in the design. That design came out beautiful, you guys. I'll leave a link so you guys can see it if you haven't seen it already. I'm also going to leave a link to the 2 YouTubers who were very inspiring to me in doing this method, Lydia May and Rachel at the Dotting Center. I'll leave their information below so you can check out their channels. Their dotting methods are incredible. This method is a nice method. I think I would like to explore this design method more because of how meditative it is, to be honest with you. So I got this snowflake mold. I think I got it from Michael's craft store. I didn't order it on Amazon or anything like that. You get about, it's a good hefty bar, so you get about 3 ounces, 3.5 ounces of soap. These are nice hand-sized soaps. On one side you get the intricate detailing that you see right here, and on the other side you can bevel it flat. So if you don't have a giant soap loaf and you're looking for something quick to do for the holidays or something like that, you can get this silicone mold, put your soap in it, and then decorate the top, and you'll be off to the races. I mean, it's simple to decorate the tops. Like I said, they're hand sized, so they fit in the palm of your hand. Great idea for gifts for the holidays. And the design possibilities are endless. I mean, you can put glitter on it, so it'd be like a glistening snowflake. I didn't do that here. You can do different colors. You can color in the lines. You can put embellishments on it, gems, ribbon. Oh my goodness. And also, let's not talk about the color. I mean, yes, I did plain white because the contest required that the base be plain, but you can do all types of beautiful coloring on the soaps. I think this will be a great project to do for the holidays if you guys are thinking about it. So if you at this point of the video, thank you for sticking it out. I know my stand buyers, they will be right back here in this back of this video listening to me babble. But I caught a cold and I thought it was gonna go away, and then all of a sudden I had no voice. And then the next day I had more no voice, and then it just got worse and worse. And then I had these videos I was putting out and I was like, oh my goodness, they're gonna be delayed. But if you're here and you're watching, I appreciate you guys. You guys, sometimes I look at your comments and I just feel inspired to keep going. So thank you. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Check out my next video. Share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.